Hi guys, I'm Laura Vitale, and on this episode of Laura in the Kitchen, we are revisiting an oldie. Was not that great of a goodie, but it's going to be incredible this round. We're making hummus, or hummus, however you pronounce it. It is incredible. It's a wonderful, creamy, as you know, chickpea like dip, and this to me is like the ultimate version. It is so airy and so creamy, and it's so delicious. It has taken me years to get to this point. I got to this point last July. If I have a picture when I first shot it, I will post it on Instagram with a timestamp because that's when it was like, it's so incredible. And I have been making it exactly the same way ever since. So let me run you through the list of ingredients. You'll need some cooked chickpeas. I use canned chickpeas. I've also soaked fresh chickpeas overnight with a pinch of baking soda. And trust me when I tell you, it does not make a difference. And I would much rather use canned chickpeas because they're much easier. Then you need a good amount of tahini, some fresh garlic, lemon, olive oil, salt, ice, and I like to finish it with some za'atar, which is like a lovely herbal spice mix, which, I mean, it's so phenomenal. Let's get started. I'm looking for the blade to my food processor. Give me 1 second. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my tahini to my food processor along with my garlic, and I am just gonna process this for a minute, okay? It may seem excessive, but it's perfect. Add it right in. 1 full minute. Okay, at this point you're gonna add in the chickpeas along with a good amount of olive oil, about 1/4 cup. So it makes it so delicious. A good pinch of salt. And then the juice of a half a lemon. Not too much lemon, but a half a lemon is perfect. And now again, you're gonna process this for a couple of minutes because you really want this to be incredibly luscious and creamy and almost airy. So just let it go. And then towards the end, I'm gonna add a few ice cubes to this. Alternatively, you can just add a couple tablespoons of ice water and it does exactly the same thing. Okay, let's see what it looks like. I haven't added the ice yet. See, it's really thick. Let's go though. Add a few ice cubes. Like I said, alternatively, you can use a few tablespoons of ice water. Keep mixing and you'll see the difference. Now look at the difference, okay? Look at this. It's creamy, it's not dry and thick. It is incredible. Without the nonsense of having to peel each and every single chickpea. I would never in a million years do that. That sounds absolutely terrible. The key to a good hummus, or hummus, I never know how people prefer it to be pronounced, is really just giving it plenty of time to whisk and just including that ice or the ice water to really thin it out to the perfect consistency while adding lots of air in there. It's pretty phenomenal. Some people add a little cumin to this. I don't, and that is for me to lick and for you not to see. I don't. I prefer a drizzle of good extra virgin olive oil and a little bit of za'atar, which is just one of my favorite things in the world. Dried thyme and sesame, and it is heavenly. Absolutely heavenly. When you start to see those two things combine, taking a pita, rip it open, and then you just do one of these. Oh my gosh. That is like 1,000 out of 1,000. Oh my goodness. Okay. I don't want to cover this up now. It is beyond the best you'll ever make. A couple little things to tweak it, and it makes the biggest difference. Go to laurainthekitchen.com for the written recipe. Hope you enjoyed spending time with me. I gotta put a little oil to this section that I just massacred over here. Hope you enjoyed spending time with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.